I'm here with the fish nipper again, and I'm about to get into fixing this transom support, welding that back on. So come over and I'll show you what we're looking at. There we go. So yeah, welding this part back on down in here as it's been pushed off, and the back of this is bellied in. So anyway, obviously going to have to clean this up a lot before I weld. I'll get into it. So now this is all clean in the way of dirt and stuff out of it. I'm still going to have to grind everything clean before I weld. But I've actually noticed there's a tiny hole right there, which you can see. This thing's ripped a little hole in the transom right there. So I will actually drill this out slightly bigger, get back to clean aluminium, and I'll just weld that from the back here and it'll be fine. So I've cleaned up this hole in the back of the boat now. Drilled it out to about a 4 or 5 mil hole just to get back to some really clean aluminium, and wire brushed all this area very clean. And behind that hole I've put a piece of stainless steel to weld up against, as aluminium won't stick to that. I thought I'd weld that hole before I push this back, just so I can make sure the inside of the transom piece of aluminium I'm happy with, because once I push this back, I'm not going to be able to see it. So anyway, let's get welding. So that's the inside of that little hole right there, which I'm pretty happy with. So I'm ready to move all that back. Here's what I'm going to try. I've just put a block of hardwood in there, and I'm going to try a scissor jack. And I haven't tightened this at all yet, but it seems to be working. Alright, so that worked really well actually. That's all pushed right back to where it should be, and there was lots of lots of loud sounds as this back sort of popped. These sides here, these creases actually popped back out the right way, which scared the crap out of me, but anyway. I've cut a little wedge piece in. I put quite a big weld in here, which I've ground flat from this guy down to the keel member. But ready to go with this thing. All right, that piece is in. That was an absolute nightmare. Regardless of how, I tried to get the gun in, all these bars and stuff are in the way for me to put the gun for the MIG welder where I wanted. Anyway, that's 100% got it, and it's going to work fine. I would have preferred nicer welds on the side of this, but anyway, that's the way it is. So I'm happy with that. Just need to clean it up now, and I might gurney the boat out again. Took a lot longer than I thought it would, because I had a piece which failed. Practice number 1. That was just because I couldn't get the gun in to a position that I was happy with. But practice made perfect. So to wrap this one up, this one is the motor I'm going to be using on this boat. It's the same as an 18 Tohatsu with Mercury stickers on it. I've upgraded all the parts I need to make this an 18 horsepower. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to getting out on the water very soon. Boat's all registered now, trailer's all registered now. So yeah, pretty much with a bit of ply on here and ready for the water, which is great.